Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have half a kg sea prawn here. I'm thinking to make it into a sweet and sour prawn, yeah? So a few pieces of old ginger. And this is some premium light soy sauce, sugar, white vinegar, and also tomato sauce. So how do you prep the, how do I prep the prawn? Basically, I only remove the leg and the pointy part. I did not devein it because this prawn is not very big, yeah? First of all, let's give it some oil here. Let's saute the ginger a bit. The one with skin can take it out. Never mind, can put it there. Tune down the fire. I'm going to add in some tomato sauce. A good amount of tomato sauce, yeah? 6-7 tablespoons to start with. Now you want to raise the heat a little bit. You're going to saute the tomato sauce so that to bring out the nice reddish color. See, the oil already start changing orangey color. Some light soy sauce. Some water. Going to give it some sugar, yeah, 2 teaspoons of sugar here. A wee bit of white vinegar. Let me make some cornstarch. Maybe I'll do the cornstarch later. Now we can put in the fish. Put in the prawn. You're going to cook the prawn for approximately 3 minutes, yeah? I don't mind to give it a little bit more sugar here. This dish is actually more sweet than sour to me. So this is coming to about 2.5 minutes here. Let me give it a bit of greens, so spring onion, more for the color. So don't cook your prawn for more than 3-4 minutes. Yeah, it can become mushy. Done. Do I need to starch it? No need. If you want to bring out the flavor further, actually what you can do is you can deep fry your prawn first before adding in to the sauce. Yeah. So today Appa very lazy, so I cut everything short. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page, you click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.